Today we are going to do a Chocolate Tuesday in my room.
Hey guys, welcome back to episode 4 of my Chocolate Tuesday series. Today on my to-do list I have my daughter's bedroom, I also have my son's bedroom, and then I think I'm also going to tackle a little bit of laundry. So the things on your Chocolate Tuesday list don't necessarily have to be anything overwhelming. They just need to be attainable. That is why I'm choosing to organize my kids' bedrooms. It's not a lot, but I do need to get it done. For the most part, I'm always downstairs, so it's easier for me to clean up the downstairs than up here. That is why I'm choosing to do my kids' bedrooms today. So for this Chocolate Tuesday, I will not be doing this on my own. I never organize my daughter's room by myself because she is such a good helper. She always helps me pick up her room and she does a really good job, but unfortunately this week life happened. We had to go out, run some errands. She had to do some homework, so we couldn't really organize her room at night. So what you're about to see is 2 days worth of mess.
This is how my room looks from 2 days worth of mess.
All right, Missy, let's get to it. Okay, so we have organized the back of the dollhouse. So now when you look back there, there's something else. Everything is nice and organized in there.
I put the babies in there.
Okay, so now there's just scattered toys all over. So now I placed a few of the bins on top of her bed just so that I can start sweeping. I'm gonna kind of go like in a little circle around the room, and then as I find toys, I'll put them where they belong. Right, Mia?
Yeah.
Alright, see, this is what happens as kids get older. Their toys start getting smaller and smaller. So as I go around the room, I'm going to figure out where they go. So where do these go, Mia?
They go here.
Now she has a few books out. It's just books that she's read during the week. So we need to put all these books away. And then right now, this is her library until we find a better solution. But that's what we have to work with.
These are the 2 books. These 2 cups. This one's Charlie and this one's Otis.
Alright you guys, thank you so much for watching episode 4 of our Tackle It Tuesday series. If you would like to see episode 5 next week, then go ahead and give it a thumbs up. So if you would like more videos in general, then go ahead and subscribe. Hit that post notification bell so that you will get first dibs on when I post. Bye guys, see you guys in my next video.
And you know her name? It starts with Snow. So in the comments, put her other name. Snow what?
So our subscribers need to comment down below guessing her real name.
Yeah.
And it starts with Snow.
Yeah.
Okay. You got it guys. What do you think her puppy's name is?